Welcome to another episode of Jumpin in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today I'm going to do another Super Bowl dish. And this is what's jumping in my pot. Cowboy Stew. These are the ingredients I will be using. Black pepper, salt, diced onions and garlic, kielbasa. I have here cumin powder and chili powder, mixed vegetable, beef broth, this is the beef stew. I've already washed it and rinsed it several times. White potatoes cubed up, pinto beans, crushed tomatoes. I will be using a Dutch oven, and I'm going to turn it on medium low. We're going to add the beef to the pot and let it cook on each side. Let's check the beef. Yes, it's sauteed up enough. I just added the onions and garlic to the pot. Now we're going to add the kielbasa sausage. And let this saute up for about 2 minutes. Look at the sausage and onions and garlic jumping in the pot. Now we're going to have the rest of the ingredients jump in the pot. The mixed vegetable, the potatoes, the pinto beans, and the tomatoes. Now I'm adding in the cumin and chili powder, the black pepper, the salt, and the beef broth. We stir this up, and after we stir it up, we're going to cover it and let it cook for 1 hour. Let's check the cowboy stew and see if it's ready. Yes, it smells so good. Yes, it looks ready. Here you have it, cowboy stew. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And I will see you soon in another video. Bye.